It is important for fleet managers and fleet owners to understand how their fleets move and perform to be able to optimally put their fleet to use. To do so, a fleet manager will need to gather multiple reports, analyze them, and figure out insights to improve the productivity of the fleet. As the fleet size grows, this process becomes tedious for the fleet managers or fleet owners alike. For example, in a fleet of 100 vehicles, to figure out the total number of times the vehicles deviated from a designated route, the fleet manager or fleet owner will need to check the route deviation done by each vehicle individually, which will require a lot of effort on daily basis. These kinds of problems can be addressed through technology, and this is where LocoNav comes in. LocoNav's analytics modules gives an eagle-eye view of the utilization and operating behavior of the fleet with actionable insights so that productivity of the fleet manager or fleet owner can be improved significantly. In this module, the first thing you can view is fleet level summary of modules like vehicles, FASTag, subscriptions, maintenance and documents. After this, you can deep dive into the following sections for insights. First, vehicles. In this section, you can view a graphical representation of total distance traveled by the fleet and see which vehicles travels the most. Next is trips. In this section, you can view a graphical comparison of vehicles which had traveled on trip and off the trip. You can also view the distribution of trips on the basis of trip status. Moving on to route deviation. In this section, you can view insights around route deviation done by the vehicles on a fleet level and top deviating vehicles. Next is driver score. In this section, you can view the distribution and trend of events triggered by the drivers like overspeeding, sharp turns, sudden acceleration, sudden braking, and idling. You can also view the distribution of drivers, top performing drivers, and drivers that require training on the basis of the performance scores. Finally, harsh events. In this section, you can view the distribution and trends of harsh events on a fleet level like overspeeding, sharp turns, sudden acceleration, and sudden braking. By following the analytics section, fleet managers and owners can pinpoint problems in the fleet, and with help of the insightful data, they can improve their and fleet's productivity significantly. With LocoNav's full stack fleet management solutions, you can optimize the management and operations of your vehicles on a single platform. Keep your vehicles moving and start your journey with LocoNav today. Thank you.